Well, howdy, folks. It's Captain Banana, and it's Monday. Yeah, it's Monday, April 11th. Yeah, it's April 11th. So I've been working at this new company for coming up on 2 weeks now. I got my first paycheck. It was two short loads and orientation pay, and pay was was pretty good. I definitely can't complain about that. I've Well, the load I had got loaded out of Nebraska. Um, the load that I was given fell through. I wasn't ready. So I ended up getting a 34-hour reset in. So I had a fresh 70, fresh 70 on my clock. And the dispatcher's talking to another driver, and she's like, "Yeah, I understand you don't like running recaps, but I need you to get this load." And I turn around and say to her, "Well, I got a fresh 70." She goes, "Oh, yeah, you do." So she gave me that job, and he took the job that I was supposed to get, and wasn't ready. So I ended up coming out to Connecticut and New Haven, Connecticut, actually. So that was 1,300 and some miles. So it was 10 and a half hours driving one day, about 11 hours driving the next. What I ended up doing was shutting down at a rest area, doing a 7-3 split to get it into my receiver at 4 a.m. And I'll tell you what, it's a world of difference between 60 and 68 miles an hour driving. If I was driving at 60 miles an hour, it would have been a lot harder to get this job in. But 68 miles an hour, and I'm governed slow. Uh, they will turn me up to 70, and 70 miles an hour is not going to make that much of a difference. But I got to my receiver with 2 minutes left on my 11-hour clock. Yeah, you talk about cutting it short, right? Got in, got got in the door, and they took a while to get me unloaded. So of course, I did my 7 hours in sleeper berth at the rest area. Then I did more than 3 hours in sleeper. Well, 3 hours off duty. I wasn't even in sleeper berth, but more than 3 hours off duty to complete my reset. So when I left out of the receiver, I had like 7 hours and 22 minutes or something like that. Left out of there, went to rest area because I saw the sign that said Dunkin'. That's right. Got my iced coffee. Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks since I've had Dunkin' Donuts. I love Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. So I got my Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. They had a Panda Express, and they say don't shop when you're hungry. Yeah. So I got an order of Kung Pao chicken and an order of orange chicken and fried rice. I think it was pork fried rice. Yeah, didn't leave anything for the seagulls. I ate it all because I was starving. So I'm over here at the pilot. Diesel fuel up here is expensive, but it's not as bad as Pennsylvania. Jesus, Pennsylvania was 5.75 a gallon. Up here it's 5.39 a gallon. But yeah, my dispatcher said, "Yeah, head toward Jersey City, find a place to hold up there. That'll be the Vince Lombardi Service Plaza. That's where I'm going to shut down, do my 10 hours, and then they'll give me a job dispatched out of there. Hopefully, I can swing by my friend's house and pick up my cat because I miss her and she misses me. Get my sleeping bag, my pillow. Oh, God, I miss that pillow. My neck's been killing me not having a pillow. I got to get my pillow, get my tools, and then, get this load delivered. Who knows where it's going? Probably back toward Omaha. Get out there, get that delivered, get another job, rinse, wash, repeat. But I'm really loving it. It's not as stressful as driving for Prime because, well, you can do 68 miles an hour instead of 60. But it's just a lot more relaxed feel to it. That being said, I really enjoyed my time at Prime. I had a I had a wonderful time. I had two awesome instructors. I had an awesome fleet manager. I couldn't ask for a better fleet manager. But it was just it was time to move on, and so I have, and it's a whole new chapter in my life. Yep. So no more yellow hat because they don't have yellow hats, unfortunately. But the one dispatcher's like, okay, I gotta ask. I'm like, yeah. Why my phone says Captain Banana? So I told her the story of Captain Banana. She cracked up laughing. But anyway, enough rambling. Oh my God, 6 minutes, 30 seconds. He just never shuts up. Anyhow, I'll go take a shower and then get on down the road.